In this video, we're going to look at the concept behind Pythagoras Theorem for maths exam. Now, this theorem, Pythagoras, is very important for maths exam. Okay, and after going through this video, I guarantee you that you understand the concept behind Pythagoras Theorem. So ensure you stay at the very end of the video. As usual, I'll give you guys a practice math question on Pythagoras Theorem to test your knowledge on this topic at the end. Alright, so having known that, let's go into the details of the video. Alright, let me draw this right angle triangle I used to explain this things I'll be explaining in this video. Okay, so we have this right angle triangle. All right, so we have this side to be C, we have this side to be A, we have this side to B. Now note that the general formula for Pythagoras theorem, you have it to be C square equals A square plus B square. All right, now the rule itself, or the law itself, states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is usually the longest side of a right angle triangle. All right, so the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Okay, so having known this, let's look at some basic facts you need to know about Pythagoras theorem. 4 facts you need to know. 1, Pythagoras theorem only works for right angle triangle. Note this, Pythagoras theorem only does what? Works for right angle triangle. Okay, now the second fact is that Pythagoras uses two sides to find the third side. Okay, Pythagoras uses two sides to find the third side. The third fact is that the basic formula for Pythagoras is this formula I just wrote out. The last fact is that you have to make sure that you get the numbers in the right place. Okay, now C is the longest side, alright, which is the hypotenuse, and is always opposite the right angle. Alright, so take note of these 4 parts. Now, having known this, let me give you the basic formula on Pythagoras theorem. Let's solve it together so that you understand how to apply the rule or law to it. Let me get this question. Okay, so let's look at this question. It says ABC is a right angle triangle. AB is 6 meters and AC is 3 meters. Find the exact length of BC. Okay, so let's begin by drawing a right angle triangle to show the various lengths of the triangle. So this is our typical right angled triangle. All right, so we have our AB. So let's label it. This will be A, B, C. So we have our AB to be 6 meters. We have our AC to be 3 meters. And we are looking for BC, which is unknown. All right, now this is also our C according to this formula, or this is our C, this is our A, and this is our what? B. Okay, so from here now you can go ahead and apply Pythagoras theorem, which is C square equals A square plus B square. All right, now we can choose to use this letters in replacement for BC square equals A square plus B square. Now we are looking for BC, the length of BC. Alright, so we can say our A B square equals our BC square plus AC square. Okay, our AB square is 6 square. That 6 square equals our BC square is unknown. BC square plus AC square is 3 square. Alright, so we have 36 equals BC square plus 9. So to make BC square the subject formula, this will cross over, and we're going to have 36 minus 9 equals BC square. Okay, so we're going to have 36 minus 9. When you punch in the calculator, we're going to have 27 equals BC square. So you square root both sides to make BC the subject formula. This square cancel this square roots. So our BC will be square root of 27. Alright, so when you punch square root of 27 on the calculator, you're going to have it to be 3 root 3 meter. Alright, so that will be the value here. Alright, here is 3 root 3 meter. Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys. Now I recommend that you should work with these letters, alright, because it's more recognized. Okay, but you can choose to do it this pattern as well if you understand this pattern well than these letters up. The first one. Okay, now what if this question came like this? Let me wipe some parts to show you. Okay, so remember this place are B. Alright, what if we are not given our AB, length AB, and we are asked to find AB? Alright, so it would have been, let's use AB square equals our BC square plus AC square. So AB square would have been, our BC square is now 3 root 3 square plus our AC square is now 3 square. Okay, so AB square will now be, so when you punch 3 root 3 square on the calculator, we are going to have it to be 27. 27 plus 3 square is 9. So AB square will now be what? 27 plus 9 give us 36. Now to make AB the solid formula, you square roots both sides. So our AB will now be square root of 36 is plus or minus 6, which is 6, the positive side. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys. Now, having known this basis of Pythagoras theorem, let's wipe this question now, and let me give you guys a practical question on Pythagoras theorem to attempt yourselves, and after this we can call it a class. Let's wipe this. Okay guys, so look at this question. It says find the length of AC, correct to one decimal place. Now this is very, very simple. Feel free to pause this video and see if you can attempt it. Okay, let's do it together. Now to find the length of AC, we're going to have it to be, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, it will be AC square equals BC square plus AB square. Alright, so our AC square will be, our BC square is 5 square plus our AB square is 9 square, which will give us 25 plus 9 square is 81. Alright, therefore our AC square will be 25 plus 81 give us 106. So to make AC the subject formula, we square root both sides. Therefore, our AC will be square root of 106. When you punch into the calculator, you're going to have it to be 10.29563014. Alright, but we are asked to correct to one decimal place. To one decimal place, this 9 is up to 5. Alright, so you approximate it as 1 to this 2. So the final result will now be 10.3 meter. Alright, so that will be the length of AC, 10.3 meter. It's as simple as that, guys. So this is basically how you can deal with problems involving Pythagoras theorem. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below for a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also, ensure you are subscribed to this channel for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video to tell me how you feel from what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding Pythagoras theorem, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. That's it for this class, guys. Now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.